Right. I'm just trying to show my husband, so I'm gonna.
Tub clean, that's one of the things that most people don't do. And to be honest with you, if you don't have enough drain, rinse water, then you end up with, to change that. You would, if you were ordering it online.
That one over there, was that like a 4.4 or was it
4.4 or 5, one or the other. Because this is probably my most popular one.
So the bedding probably still fit in here pretty good. It just don't look as deep.
No, that's how you gain the space.
Oh, it go down more deep.
I don't know, some sticky stuff and then
Yeah.
sprays it on and then she rubs them together. So that way you can spray it on and work it there too.
So what is detergent and stuff? Okay.
Detergent.
Yeah, so I ain't have none of that before. I had the bleach and then you support and stuff.
Everybody's still.
Yeah.
My wife uses bleach, so she doesn't know what she's doing because my mother tried it once and she had 5 of her own. How big they are.
4.2 stars.
This one's 5.4, and this one is 4.9. Then we go into Maytag, but
Oh, profile. How is GE? Said it's the lowest.
oh, these guys are working hard now. This one has all. I'm terrible with the words, but yeah, keeps the bacteria from growing.
Oh, okay.
So you don't have the weird stuff in the wash machine.
And it's on sale for $6.98.
Yep. I can't prove it.
And the agitator can be, so it come in white.
5.
Oh, okay. So you
Yeah.
can get white. Okay,
Yep.
$6.78. With a white, you get the agitator, and the size on this is 4.9.
Then we go up to the big guy here, 5.4. He's a big man.
And it's cheaper than.
Yeah.
Okay, but these are GE.
He's a
Okay.
GE.
Okay. And what's the okay, 4.1. But that's why you got home warranties. So hopefully
I suppose I never
replace
thought
it.
about it. I sell them when I sell houses. But
sell the washer and dryers. Or
no,
sell what?
I'm a realtor too, so I always make sure that when we sell a house or we're the listing realtor, I always make sure that the customer is willing to pay for an insurance policy. So that if the case last time I ate something it was like 6:30.
Oh.
I'm a diabetic, so
Yeah, you better eat something.
I keep jabbering so I don't think.
That's all right.
If you need any assistance, Mr. Michael is here.
Nope, you helped me with what I needed.
Okay. If he's as good as the other, there's only one other guy.
Okay, thank you. 4.7. Let's see. I'm in white. $4.98 same price. Extra power, quick wash, wrinkle control, drain, spin, clean, heavy duty. Sanitize with Oxy towels, bulk items. And this was a 5.3 cubic agitator, so they be deeper. Okay. Let me go back and look at this one. Oh, and that's cheap. This $8.48. Shoot, 5.3? Nah, son. So I am shopping for a washing machine. I done been to Best Buy. I am at Home Depot now. I don't think about it. And we're just trying to see the prices for some of these are like, but I really want a big boy. I really don't want all that smart stuff, but it seems like the larger they are, you have to get the smart stuff, and I don't really want that. This one is 4.9. It's on sale. Profile GE. Yeah. So kind of look at this one. It has to have an agitator. That's non-negotiable. I told me anyone can have an agitator added. So I'm gonna head on over to Lowe's. That'll be my last stop. And this one is a 4.5. Look pretty deep though, and that's only 598 G profile. My lash washer is a Whirlpool, so I don't know, we'll see. Let's go to the next one. This on sale, $648. I'm so tired of these smart washers. I'm just tired of regular washers. Oh, this is 48. 648 special deep. With agitator, easy access. Okay, that's the one I set up with it for the same price. This is 560.
Customer needs assistance in appliances. Customer needs assistance in appliances.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
I have to go with a G. It's one price. Software detergent. Old school It's good, but too small. It's a small one. This one don't get good reviews.
Perfect. Thank you very much. You too. Do you have any questions, Miss? Or
Actually, I did. I end up getting a LG 5.3 cubic smart washer. And so far, I can truly say I love it. I love everything about it because I had a really old washer and I had to replace it. So Total cost with delivery and setup, it was about $1,000 I ended up paying, but I didn't mind it as much because now I got a warranty and everything on it. Hopefully it lasts for a while. A lot of these, I was kind of scared of getting a new washer because they don't last like they used to, or they're not built really good like the old washers, but it fits my really large thick comforter with no problem. The agitator works good. It washes the clothes really well. It wrings out everything very well, so it was worth the money. And I end up getting it at Home Depot after those 3 stores I went to.